Looking for high-quality lens cleaning wipes in bulk? SeleWipes is your trusted wholesale manufacturer specializing in premium lens cleaning solutions. With our cutting-edge production capabilities and strict quality control, we deliver optical cleaning wipes that outperform competitors in both effectiveness and value. Our state-of-the-art facility features 40,000 square meter production base with class 100,000 clean room standards 60 fully automated production lines capable of producing 95 million wipes monthly advanced non-woven fabric technology that's scratch-free and lint-free alcohol-free formulas that safely clean all lens coatings without damage you direct from factory supplier. We offer custom formulations, moisture levels, antibacterial properties, fragrance options, flexible packaging solutions, individual pouches, bulk canisters, travel packs, private labeling, and OEM services with fast turnaround. Competitive pricing with max starting from just 10,000 units. 5. Global shipping with reliable logistics partners. Lens cleaning wipes are ideal for eyeglass retailers and optometry clinics. Camera equipment distributors. Screen protector manufacturers. Corporate promotional gifts. Pharmaceutical and medical supply company certified with ISO 9001 GMP MBRC standards. SeleWipes guarantees products that meet international quality requirements. Unlike middleman traders, we provide factory direct pricing while maintaining consistent quality across all orders. For samples or pricing inquiries, contact our sales team today. Email sales@selewipes.com WhatsApp8613802854 Website www.selewipes.com Trusted by optical retailers across Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. We're ready to be your long-term lens cleaning wipes supplier. Let's discuss how we can customize solutions for your specific market needs.